Envo Mask 101, Envo Mask Filter Change. Here's a detailed overview of the Envo Mask. Features of Envo Mask. NIOSH approval. Envo masks are N95 respirators that have received NIOSH approval, ensuring a high standard of filtration. Reusable. They are designed to be reusable, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Silicone gel seal. An innovative silicone gel edge is designed to provide a superior seal for better protection. Filter replacement. The mask allows for easy filter replacement, making it convenient to maintain over time. Cons of Envo mask. Gel seal issues. Some users have reported that the gel seal can loosen or disintegrate over time, which may compromise the fit and seal. Condensation. Users might experience condensation build up inside the mask, which can be uncomfortable. Known issues and fixes. Seal detachment. If the gel seal loosens from the frame, it's recommended to contact the manufacturer for a potential replacement, as this is a known issue. Condensation management. To manage condensation, users can try anti-fog sprays or ensure the mask is fitted properly to minimize moisture buildup. Advanced tips for using an Envo mask. Proper assembly. Ensure that the mask is properly assembled before each use to maintain its integrity and effectiveness. Regular inspection. Perform a thorough inspection of the mask prior to donning to ensure there are no damages or issues with the seal. Correct fitting. Adjust the mask properly on your face and perform a user seal check to confirm a secure fit. Alternatives to Envo mask. Elastomask Pro offers high protection and is a good alternative for those prioritizing safety. Flow mask, another reusable option that is known for its comfort and fit. Stealth masks. These masks hold N95, P100 ratings and are a viable alternative for those looking for different fitting options. When choosing a respirator, it's important to consider your specific needs, such as the level of protection required and the fit of the mask. Envo masks are a solid choice for those looking for reusable N95 respirators, but it's crucial to ensure that you're getting an authentic product and that it fits well to provide the necessary protection.